Hello, in this video, we will introduce file dialogues. You can use the file dialogues in the tk-int to open a file and to save a file. So there's an open file dialog and save file dialog. This is the function ask open file name. So when you execute this function, Python displays a file open dialog. You can choose the file and choose the directory and choose the file in the directory. When you use ask save as file, Python will open a file save as dialog box. You can specify the directory and enter file name, save the file. So here's the test program. This is the sample run. So you have this, you can put this icon here for open file, and this is for save. So when you click this open, so here, this is the open, you display the open file dialog. When you click save, it will display the save file dialog. That is all for this section on file dialogs. See you on the next video.